sa isipan ko ikaw. Sumagat sa tabi sa bawat minutong lumilis. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tapat. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Sakit sa'yo kahit maghapon na tayo magkasama para tinisingin ang ating ibig. Ayun na ibig na ating sabay. Yan ang gusto kong hinahatid. Sabay doon tayo, sabay may sex, sabay bye-bye. Sumagat sa tabi sa bawat minutong lumilis. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng damdamin. there. And you can lay your questions down as if you know it. So we can wait until the night out, you know. The world could die and everything that I still you should have read. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it'll last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Let me turn down my bass. And gently close your eyes so you can understand that there's no greater love tonight than what I for you. Well, if you feel the same before we do let go, we can drink it to the golden hours. Like show my darling, tell me that you love me, so we can fade into the night out, you know. The world can hide and everything will lie, still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass, longer than it'll last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's it for that. And I'm gonna give you Sama is Asher Road. Another European song para sa mga tao may pinagdadaanan dyan.
Ay!
Daanan nyo na.
Daanan nyo lang. Sa lahat ng mababang rate.
Ah! Di na nakakawin ka sila. Di na nakakawin. Sa murang magkakasahan. Kayo talaga. Ito ka na. Huwag mo ipilit.
Pag iniwan ka na, huwag mo na balikan.
Talaga.
welcome po sa aming second and prime time set. And then syempre sa mga lahat ng bagong dating. Welcome here at Food Park.
Yes.
And then syempre sa lahat na nagsa-celebrate ng kanilang mga birthday. Happy birthday po. Yun.
Birthday.
Oo, yung mga birthday dyan, pagparamdam naman kayo.
Oo.
Ano? Anghelo.
Angelo, happy birthday.
Ay! Dahil ano pa yung pandingin ko? Anghelo, ilang taon na yan? Ay, ilang taon.
Ano?
Ano ba? Halat lang.
Ilang taon na yan?
Ha?
26. Oh. 26.
Ay!
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw talaga.
Sorry, nadulas lang.
Ikaw talaga. 26 talaga.
Oo.
Dahil nga.
Medyo nadulas lang ng konti para ka mang... Alam mo naman may pagkabisaya ako, Day.
Sige. Pagbigyan.
26. 26. Yan. Speaking of birthday, happy birthday din kay
Kanina.
Joao. Yan.
Oh! Isa lang yon. Si Joao at si Angelo. Apelyido niya yung Joao.
And then, syempre, happy birthday din kay Sir Samuel. Yan, happy birthday po.
Yes.
Oo.
Ayan, meron pa ba birthday?
Oh, meron. Yung kapatid natin,
Ana.
si Allen. Allen, happy birthday.
Allen!
Nakita ko eh. Welcome back.
Happy birthday.
Galing
Yes.
Germany yun eh.
Wow.
Yung pasalubong tsokolate ha, mamaya ko nakukunin ha.
Sana all.
Akala mo makakaligtas ka sa akin ha.
Gano'n kalaki yung tsokolate?
Kahit maliit lang na chocolate. Gusto ko yung may peanut. Oo. Yung may konting mani lang.
Mahilig ka talaga sa mani.
Okay lang yun. Alangan naman sa...
He! At tayo naman ang nag-birthday ngayon. Here's a birthday song for you guys!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, maligayang happy, maligayang
Akala ko, ano yung ba yung last part eh. Yung may nagbe-birthday din ata doon. Anong pangalan ni Madam? Jaja. Yun.
Jaja!
Inaalala ko sa Jaja ng...
Iba talaga ang memory mo.
Erase.
Jaja.
Erase.
Meron ka ba?
Oh, Ma'am Jaja, happy birthday po. Yan. Sa lahat na nagbe-birthday, happy birthday.
Yes.
Gusto ko lang po ipabot sa inyo na umiinom din po kami.
Opo, tumatanggap pa rin po kami.
And then hindi po kami mapili sa pulutan kahit ano, basta butter chicken, okay na po yan.
Opo, umiinom at kumakain po kami.
Nang ano?
Nung ano, pulot?
Kumpletuhin mo kasi gagad, para ka namang ano.
Shout out!
Skibidib.
Skibidi! Ano?
Shout out mga SJP dyan!
Hindi ko nang
Hindi ko din naintindihan, Brad.
Skibidi nan! Tama ba?
Ay, ito ata yun.
Ikaw talaga. Ayusin mo kasi.
Ay, SG-Pip naman to eh.
It's GPD!
Ayan, SGBD. Akala ko skibidib eh.
Skibidi!
Skibidib, pop. Boom,
Yes,
boom,
and
boom,
meron
boom,
tayo
boom.
dito. Welcome back kay Sir Simon and Sir Joey Bilya from Saudi. From CH
Oh, CHS.
Faculty. Andun. Sir Simon and Sir Joey.
Asan si Sir Simon?
Asaan po ito? From
Asaan
Saudi.
Maraming jacket na dala yan.
Wala.
Ayun!
Ay, ang layo nila. Andun. Hello po. Ayan.
Sir, may tira pa pong size 8.5 or large po na damit? Ganon?
Sir, kahit chocolate na lang.
Uy, may mani din? Ikaw, duda na ako sa'yo ha.
Hoy, hindi naman mali yung gusto kong.
Ano?
Gusto ko yung,
ganon?
gusto ko yung mahabang chocolate.
Na?
Mahabang chocolate!
Chocolate.
Ito talaga. And welcome po again. Welcome back ala, sir. Welcome here at Food Park. What is that you done to me? But I in such a crazy way. The worst that I do when you do what you're doing, it's something I don't wanna say. 'Cause my heart's not beating with all times, with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when it hasn't come as you. I get so lost in the maze, I get hardly speak, I lose the control. Something takes over me, and it takes you so amazing. It's not a place I want you to stay with me. On the side of my love, long run, your love is the same. Let's run over the beat. I can't explain what your love makes me. That's your heart divided. No way I can't deny it. Your love so sweet, knocks me off my feet. Yeah, I get so. I can hardly speak. I lose the control. Something takes over me, and it takes you so amazing. It's not a place I want you to stay with me. By my side, I follow my blind. Your love is the same. Let's run off from the beat. I can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Haba na na. Mahilig ka talaga sa mahaba.
Now you know. Ano yan? Song may freestyle.
Oh yeah. Bright lights and fancy restaurants, everything in this world ain't a million want. I get a bank account, thinking that I love you well. So lonely now. Pretty faces from the covers on the magazines, from the covers to my covers for only with me. Fame and fortune still confined. I'm just a girl man running out of time. Even though it seems I failed everything, I don't wanna be lonely or blue. All the women, all the expensive cars, a lot of money don't amount to you. So I can make believe I failed everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see. Tell me, girl, my life is incomplete. about me? Do you ever cry yourself to sleep in the middle of the night when you're away? Are you calling out for me? Do you ever reminisce? I can't believe I'm not like this, although it's crazy. I still can feel your kiss. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 2 hours since you've come back. Yeah, I miss you so much, and I don't know what to say. It should be over here. I should know that I put a shoes not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 2 hours since you went away. It's hard enough just passing the time when all I can see is taking you out of my mind. And where is together goodbye? Tell me why. Tell me why. 6 months, 8 days, 2 hours since you went away. I miss you so much, and I don't know what to say. You should be over here. You should have known better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 2 hours since you went away. Sing it for me.
Even if our love drifts away, I won't even think twice. Even want to love back again. Love you knows that we share a place, especially good times together. Seems never enough can look much better. As we were close, I still believe that you love me last forever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ay baka po may mga request. Request ba? Request kayo. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-request sa amin.
Yan.
Siguro mga 2 to 3 songs. Ayan, para po may
Mga 2
option.
to 300 songs okay po yan.
200. Yes.
Yeah, yung dalawa
And
na.
ano to? Happy birthday to
Iyon, Sir
Sir Melvin and happy viewing to
Tom and Cody. Ay, Cindy. Yan.
Cindy ba? Tama?
Cindy ba?
Cindy, Tom
Tom
and
and
Cindy. Ayan. Happy birthday kay Sir Mel B. Tama ba?
And then syempre gusto ko lang batiin sila Sir Mark na nasa gilid. Sir Mark, good evening po. Yan, thank you for coming.
Yes. And hello nga pala kay Francine. Ayan. Hello. Oh,
Hello po, Ma'am Francine.
sweet ko yun eh.
Ha? Ay, oo.
Iba Serdo. Oh. Mm.
Ay, nila Nick. Oo.
Kapatid ni DJ ni at DJ mo. Ayun. Magaling din yan mag-DJ. Yes, alright, let's move on to our next song. Now we give you a song by Moonstar 88. Here's another audience. Ay, para sa mga pinaasa. Oo, alam nila. Hindi nga pala tayo, hanggang dito na lang ako. Nangangarap na ako sa'yo, hindi sinasadya. Nahanapin pa ang lugar ko, asan nga ba ako? Nandiyan ka ba sa'yo? Nahihirap, nahirito. Aasam mo sa'yo, aasam mo sa'yo. Nasusuka ako, kinakain na ang ano, masakit ang mga tuhod. Kailangan bang lumuhod? Gusto ko lang naman, mundo mo, hindi ba ang sagot ay tinirisang tanong? Nahihilo, nahirito. Aasam mo sa'yo, aasam mo sa'yo. Nahihilo, nahirito. Aasam mo sa'yo, aasam mo sa'yo. Dahil di na makatulog, dahil di na makakain, dahil hindi na matatawag, dahil hindi na. Oh guys, ayun naman. Yes! At dahil dyan, now we give you a song by Manny Pacquiao. Ay, para sa request.
Yan, and then syempre standby po sa mga request natin.
Para sa mga taong mahilig bumalik.
Audio sa trap by DJ Matata. Araw-araw na nagkakaroon, ilang beses na rin tayong humihiling. Di Sa huli babalik pa rin sa'yo. Sa huli pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako.
Yes, para sa mga in love.
Sana kung bakit nahirap buhay, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay ko, hindi ko babalik ngiti mo sa mundo. Come on, everybody, help us out. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo ko, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo. Sa huli palagi pipiliin ko ang maging sa'yo. Nais ko malaman mo, iyo ako. Alright, thank you so much. That track is coming from DJ Monterde.
Baby.
Baby. Alright,
Yes.
right now we have another request.
Ito, Under the Same Sun and Dilaw. Pabati naman sa ACP.
Yan, stop.
Yan! Asa ba to? Sam. Ayan. Ayun, nasa gilid pala dito. Hello guys. Hello sa inyo dyan. Sa ACP Aero Club. Ay, choppy. Hello sa inyo. Ayan. Ang jammer po natin is mamaya po sa aming final set.
Ayun, and then syempre, speaking of request, we have a request here. One Last Breath by
He'll be
Creed,
safe
yeah.
here and
Heaven
heaven
knows.
knows.
May orange yan lang.
Saktong-sakto naman.
Saktong-sakto, wala kami yan. Babalik na lang natin itong sandaan.
Ay, wag ka, meron tayo niyan.
Meron.
Ipilit mo.
Ipipilitin natin.
Yes, and thank you so much for the compliment of 100 pesos.
Thank you so much.
Sige, play mo na. Dali. Nagmadali.
Dalian niya. Baka magbago isip niya, bawiin pa rin.
Request.
There were times when I'm lying in my bed and I'm going crying from this stupid gate, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rolled down, swirling as I keep on taking my place in this cold weather night. Heaven knows how it's this angel is gone away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have left her ways and made her mine. Eternity. Now this angel is far away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired. I feel like catching floating wings and all night in this elbow that brings me pictures where the hearts and dreams now my lips are burning, my eyes are empty. Though I can feel the pain still alive alone. Cigarette just to pass my time on. Never knows how the time strength to set me free. Did what I did because I love you so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? never